About the time she walked away from me. Nobody likes you when you're 23.
That was hard.
That was dope. Hell is ADD. That's so good.
But I just like how I can zoom on it. Shut the fuck up, Mark. Call you Marcus. You a Mark. Yeah. What do you want me to do? I don't know. I'm just gonna get it. So just sing and shit. Hey, girl.
I don't want your money. You can play your part. Can you do that for me? My love don't cost.
Oh, where was this?
This was in LA. We lived like in this main street and had this big ass backyard. We had like a husky. I had like a German Shepherd, a Dalmatian.
A Dalmatian.
Hella poodles. We even had inside dogs and outside dogs. Like the Dalmatian. Like
How do you get to pick who's outside and who's
the big fuzzy hairy dogs are the guard dogs. Those are outside. The small cozy little ones are the inside dogs. There's like alarm systems, you know? Like the big ones are the outside.
Catch me hovering higher than NASA's humble ship. I can't believe it. Breaks out, we'll send us space out. 50 feet, I'm finna receive. Oh no, but if I just out with you tonight, watch it out. Whatever. See you, boy, raise your. And I'm girl. Let's be quiet, bro. I said it's rough. I won't name you that feature. There's something for your lesson. Something to the biggest. Set the public up, set for the kids. I ate you out like a million in face. I crank it up like you singing some crack. Crank that bitch to a million. How the fuck am I supposed to breathe when there's so much bullshit all around? Trapping, got you trapping. It's okay because the beat got a bigger sound. But I'm mad, 100 grand, the baddest bitches rolling now. They sound like it's jumping like it's from that to the masses, nigga, how I found. Hell no. Guess who's back in the top of the make out here? No, now back the fuck back, we gon' jump yo. Face sauced up like 100 thumbtacks. Being in the city like it's bad brains, and you want face off shit, little homie.
Hey, girl. What you doing today? What you been up to?
I moshed at a duck race show. And then yeah, Vanessa didn't not let me mosh. Like, I tried not to. She's like, bitch, get your ass over here. I'm like, okay.
That sounds like a real friend.
I'm winded.
This guy, I think he threw water straight in my face again. It was like fucking 2015. That feels.
Okay, well, I don't know about.
But it's not really good, you know what I mean, though.
No, I know. I just laughed. Wait, okay, where's your. What are you doing?
I can zoom in too. I'm right on you.
Oh my goodness.
That's so good. Dude, if I had it, I have to have a party. And they do cake.
What did Liz get?
Oh God, she's filming us.
Woo, my God, it's so good.
Bro, oh God.
Okay, fatty.
Okay.
This is the film you want to work in after.
I had no idea. There's like a little crumble at the bottom, dude.
There's a crumble.
There's
There
a little
is.
crust at the bottom.
It's like a little bit of
Whose birthday is
That's
next?
stupid.
Grateful for each and every one of you and like each of your unique, amazing gifts that you bring to the team. It's just so beautiful, like the canvas that we all paint together and the teamwork and just feeling the family that we've created. It's so beautiful and touching, and I love just seeing you all running around having fun together. And yeah, hopefully this new place and this new iteration and this new beginning can be maybe a metaphorical new beginning for all of us together, and may we all thrive and blossom here in new ways and help people discover plants and heal their bodies and learn about cool new shit from beautiful people that are sharing open hearts. I'm so excited. So thanks for being a part of it.
Yeah. Well, this is like temporary thing.
Walls.
Oh yeah.
I like we had wood floors and he would just like
It's been fun. It's been some crazy work over here making this place come together. And it feels really good, like putting that work into building this home for this team, for these people that have come together to like do everything you're talking about. Like, and it's beautiful to see these new faces coming into the team and some of the old timers that have been around. It's a beautiful family that keeps growing and evolving and helping the planet do the same. Like again, each person comes in, we're helping them find something new, like get them turned on to something really powerful, and that's a huge gift to everyone that we touch. So thanks for bringing that love for plants, a love for people. Thank you.
This is filled with like laughter every day. And money. Someone has to take it.
We can
It'll be me. And
hey, going green. It's
going green. And I'm excited to like break more records in this store. With all y'all and have a fun grand opening party, and it's gonna be great.
The street's really cool.
Yeah.
There's really beautiful people happening down the street. I'm excited to see who comes in.
And I have to say, and I said it earlier, JR and I, we've worked together 3 times, and like we opened the Tory store, which was like we're doing now. We're gonna move a bunch of shit, and then at Rebecca, we had these insane sample sales where we would bring in a couple, like, I don't know, $1 million in product and we sell it in like 3 days. It's like we've had a lot of days like this with a lot of like manual labor, and I was like, why is this fun? Like, why? Usually, if we're working and we're having a day like this, we're upset all day, and this was just fun. And we were like, because everyone's fucking working hard. Like every single person's like busting ass. There's not like one person that's like being like lackadaisical. It's just if we can have a day like today and like be like, oh, that was fun. Like we can just always have fun days. I love y'all. Thanks for fun days.
This is not a text.
You don't think it's a form?
Just look like it would have went our way.
Okay, fine, okay. Do you want me to grab one too?
Now I
I'm just thinking, I think we could pour it.
Got me on camera, acting a fool.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She said a full. A full. A whole full.
I just don't understand.
Something else I can do.
Is this a joke? Is this like a practical joke?
That's
This
why
is like a
Vanessa
practical-
pulled the camera out
This is
right
low
with
key
the
like a
camera.
I was about to do it right now, and I was like, you guys get more pizza after this.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Now, trust y'all. I think we only need 2.
Yeah, just like a. Hey, Gary.